Get the latest on what's going on this earnings season, meets, beats, and more in Zacks Earnings Scorecard.
We're going to tell you what the score is on a couple of broker-dealers this earnings season with Eric Dutram. Eric is our editor of Surprise Trader here at Zacks. You're following Goldman, right?
Goldman and Morgan Stanley.
Morgan Stanley,
yeah. Both these giants report this week, and it's been a real interesting time for the companies in this space, especially if we look to the last 1 year chart for both these companies and the ETF that tracks the space, IAI. As we can see, all three have really been beaten down here over the last year. Morgan Stanley was actually trending to a 45% loss at one point before this sudden rebound in the last couple of weeks. As we can see, the overall space, IAI, is down about 14%, but both the components, Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, are down a bit more, down in that 20% range. So it's been an extremely rough year for these companies. The whole interest rate story hasn't helped them. Very rough trading environment. So a number of factors have really hit these companies hard. So it's going to be interesting to see what their outlook is in this coming earnings season when they both report later this week.
Yep, and this is the week of the 18th of July, just so everybody knows.
Yeah, and we got Goldman Sachs coming first there on the 19th. This company is at Zacks rank number 3. It does have a D VGM score, so not great fundamentals for this company coming into the report. If we look to the price and consensus chart here, though, we can see that estimates have really fallen off a cliff here over the last couple of weeks. This 2015 number has really plummeted. 2016 is also trending a bit lower. So not a whole lot to like for this company going into the report. And, you know, that's sort of been reflected by that very sluggish trend we saw on the chart line in the previous discussion. Up next, we got Morgan Stanley. They report the following day on the 20th. They have a Zacks rank 3 as well, but they have an F VGM score, so the fundamentals are looking even weaker for this company as opposed to Goldman. Similar trend if we look at the price and consensus chart, though. Estimates have fallen, and once again for 2016 and 2017, you could argue they haven't been as sharp as we saw in Goldman Sachs, but you know, given the very poor fundamentals here for both these companies, and we see a bottom 10% industry rank, it's probably best to avoid both of them this earnings season. But if you had to pick one, I'd go with Goldman Sachs just because they have that better fundamental outlook.
Yeah, F doesn't mean fine, huh?
That's right.
All right. Do you own either of these two?
I do not, fortunately.
Okay. Have to ask. Thanks for checking in with the scorecard this time around. And don't forget, you can keep score of other earnings news on our website, Zacks.com. Link to it all right off the homepage. With Eric, I'm Terry Ruffalo.